What's up, guys? Igor Hernandez here. I'm one of the attorneys at Cornish Hernandez and Gonzalez, where I practice injury law, first party home and property claims. And today I want to talk to you about to answer the question, should I bring a claim? When you are injured, a lot of times you wonder, well, what should I do? Should I bring an insurance claim? Should I try to get compensation for what happened to me? The short answer is almost always yes, if you're injured as a result of somebody else's fault. And what I mean by it is, there are times where you can have an injury and it's your fault. If you got behind the wheel of your car and you were drunk and you hit a wall, well, that's your fault. You should not bring an insurance claim. But if you were driving and somebody else was drunk and they hit you, then definitely you should bring a claim. A lot of times people wonder, well, if I bring a claim, is it going to affect my credit score? Is it going to affect my insurability? Meaning, is it going to affect the rates that insurance companies give me when I need to get insurance? Is it going to affect, I don't know. People have a whole bunch of different worries that they will be somehow negatively affected if they bring a claim. And most of the time, if not all the time, the worries are not really justified. Meaning, whatever you may lose, which there shouldn't really be any loss to you if you bring a claim, but whatever you may lose, it's really far outweighed with what you can gain from bringing a claim if you are in fact injured and the injury was a result of somebody else's negligence. And so if you have a claim, if you have a injury and that's a result of somebody else's negligence, somebody did something wrong and that's why you're injured, it's almost a no-brainer. You should definitely bring a claim, because if you don't bring a claim, what happens is you're going to be stuck with your injury. You're going to be stuck with your medical bills. You're going to be stuck with if you were not able to work, you missed out on work, you're stuck with that. You're going to be stuck with all the losses that you suffered as a result of somebody else's fault. And there'll be no net positive. There'll be no benefit to you from not bringing a claim. You're just basically going to go ahead and move on with your life in the state that you're in the state that you're in because of what somebody else did to you. So really, there's, in my opinion, no reason to not bring a claim. And there are millions of reasons to do bring a claim, or rather, I don't know why I said to do, but to actually bring a claim. And that's how you should look at it. You should definitely bring a claim if you have one, so that you can get the compensation that you deserve. And important in this conversation is the fact that in Florida, and pretty much in every state in the United States, we have something called the Statute of Limitations. And the Statute of Limitations is a period of time after which you can no longer bring a claim. So in Florida, for injury cases, it's 4 years for most of the time. There's certain exceptions, but 4 years is a good guidepost for you to have. And so if you wait too long, and then you realize that you do want to bring a claim, well, it's too late. It doesn't matter that it was somebody else's fault. It doesn't matter that you incurred medical bills and pain and suffering and all other losses. You're basically stuck with those losses because you waited too long to bring a claim, because you're worried about things that really you shouldn't be worried about. And so anyway, guys, that's it for now. I hope that was helpful, and I'll catch you again next time.